Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. Today we will discuss on the multiple choice question from competitive examination. It has been asked in previous year question papers. First question is, if NaCl is doped with 10 raised to minus 4 mole percentage of SrCl2, the concentration of cation vacancy will be. In earlier lecture we same example solve this. First, 10 raised to minus 4 mole percent. Percentage converted into mole. So, doped with NaCl, doped percentage fraction is 10 raised to minus 4 mole percent. Then percent is converted into mole. So, it's divided by 100. It's give 10 raised to minus 6 mole. Then, the concentration of cation vacancy will be. First consider is the NaCl. For example, this is the NaCl crystal. When SrCl2 doped with NaCl, SrCl2 has plus 2 charge, Sr plus 2 charge, and Na plus has 1 charge. So when 1 Sr plus 2 doped with this NaCl crystal, so it's removed 2 Na plus because of the electrical neutrality. When 2 Na plus, for example, this Na plus and this Na plus removed, and this Sr plus 2 occupy in this place. So when NaCl crystal doped with Sr plus 2, one vacancy present. In this crystal, one vacancy present. So its multiplication with 1. This is multiplication with 1. So its answer is 10 raised to minus 6 mole. Then concentration of cation vacancy will be. So number of cation, multiplication with Avogadro number. So number of cation, concentration of cation vacancy is equal to, this is the 10 raised to minus 6 mole. So 10 raised to minus 6 multiplication with number of cation. So its multiplication with Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. 23 minus 6, 17. 6.023 into 10 raised to 17. So in this question, its answer is 6.02 into 10 raised to 17 mole inverse. That is the CBSE PMT 2007 question. Of total volume occupied by the atom present in a simple cube. Given cube is the simple cube. We find out the fraction of total volume. Fraction means fraction of total volume simple cube. Fraction of simple cube is equal to volume of one sphere upon volume of unit cell. Why this is a use one sphere? Because of the, in the simple cubic, z value is 1. When instead of simple cube, given value is the BCC, means body center, so z value change is equal to 2 and FCC z value is 4. Because of the number of atom present per unit cell is different. So simple cube z value is 1. So we use volume of one sphere upon volume of unit cell. Volume of one sphere consider is the 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. And r cube is equal to, a is equal to 2r. So r is equal to a by 2. 4 by 3 pi r is equal to a by 2 cube upon a cube. We answer in this the form of the pi form. All are pi form. So 4 by 3 pi a cube divided by 8. This is the 8 and a cube. A cube cancel out. 4 into 2. That is answer is pi by 6. Its right answer pi by 6. It's also question in the CBSE PMT 2007. Next, if A stands for the edge length of cubic system, simple cubic, body center and face center, then the ratio of the radii of sphere in these systems will be respectively. First, find out the radius of this cube, simple cubic, BCC and FCC. For example, A is equal to 2r. That means the radius is equal to r is equal to a by 2. First, check out the option a by 2, a by 2 and a by 2. This is the 1a. So this is cancel out. Second, BCC. So this is 4r is equal to under root 3a. So r is equal to under root 3a by 4. Under root 3a by 4? Yes, this is the same. Then under root 3a. This is the wrong. So its option is cancel out. Third, this is the under root 3 by 2a. This option is cancel out. So right option in this is the a, 1 by 2a under root 3 by 4a and 1 by 2 under root 2a. Because of the, for the FCC, 4r is equal to under root 2a. So r is equal to under root 2 by 4a. This is the under root 2 by 4, 2 into 2a. So multiplication with under root 1 by under root 2a. So this is the 1 by 2 under root 2a. It question asked in CBSE PMT 2008. Then next, lithium metal crystallize in BCC if the length of the side of the unit cell is the lithium length of the side. So A is equal to 351 picometer. The atomic radii of the lithium will be, atomic radii means R. For the BCC, 4r is equal to under root 3a. So 4r is equal to under root 3a. r is equal to under root 3 by 4a. 3 by 4a into multiplication with 351. This gives the answer in picometer. Its right option is the 151.8 picometer. This question asked in CBSE PMT 2009. Next, a metal crystallized with FCC. The age of the unit cell is 408 picometer. So age length A is equal to 408 picometer. The diameter of the metal atom is, diameter, we find out the diameter. Given data is the FCC. For the FCC, 4r is equal to under root a. So r is equal to under root 2a by 4. We find out that the r is equal to under root 2 by 4 into multiplication with a value. A value is 408 picometer. It gives this value when find out the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2r. 2 into multiplication with this answer. So this given the answer of this 288 picometer. Next, a metal has FCC lattice. The A is 404 picometers. So A value given is 404 picometers. Then the density of the metal, given value density is 2.72 gram per centimeter cube. The molar mass of the metal, we find out that the M value. We know about that density is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. Z is the number of atom per unit cell. For the FCC, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 4. So multiplication with 4 into M upon A cube. A is 404 picometers. It's converted into centimeter because of the, this is the picometer and this is density is centimeter cube. And this value is gram. So it's converted into CGS ekam centimeter. Its multiplication with 10 raised to minus 10. 1 picometer is converted into centimeter, multiplication with 10 raised to minus 10. So A cube 404 into 10 raised to minus 10 cube upon Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. And density value given is the 2.72. So its answer M given is the gram per mole. So that's answer is the 27. Carbon atoms per unit cell of diamond unit cell is. Diamond has a structure like FCC and HCP. When diamond structure has number of unit cell is equal to first of all the corner atom. In this diamond 8 corner present. So 8 corner its contribution 1 by 8. So 8 corner atoms and its contribution 1 by 8 plus same as the FCC 6 phases. So 6 phases and its contribution 1/2 plus 4 tetrahedral sides. So it gives the 8 into 8 1 plus 6 multiplication by 1/2. So it is 3 and 4 tetrahedral sides. So it gives the value of the 8. The number of carbon atom per unit cell of diamond unit cell is answer is 8. Second, if A is the length of the side of A cube, the distance between the body center atom and one corner atom. Body center atom and one corner atom in the cube will be. So this is the cube. Find out the, for example, this is the body center. Find out that the body center atom and one corner atom, this distance. How to find out this distance? For example, this is the ABC. So triangle ABC is equal to its edge length A. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB, distance between these two, AB, and its value is edge length A. So A square plus A square is equal to 2A square is equal to AC square. When AC is equal to under root 2A. So this value AC is equal to under root 2A. Then consider this triangle. For example, this is the A. ADC. Triangle ADC. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square plus CD square. We know that the AC value is equal to under root 2A. Its square plus CD is the edge length of the A. This is the A square. So 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square. So AD is equal to, AD square is equal to 3A square. That way AD is equal to under root 3A. AD is equal to under root 3A. So this total value is equal to under root 3A. But we find out the half of this total value. So its value is under root 3A by 2. So its answer is the A is the length of the side of the cube. The distance between the body center atom and the corner atom distance is under root 3A by 2. This is the right option, under root 3A by 2. The vacant space in BCC lattice unit cell is. Given the value, find out the vacant space. For the percentage of occupied volume in BCC is equal to 68%. But in this question, find out the vacant space. So vacant space total 100, percentage minus 68% is given the answer 32%. So its answer is 32%. In this option, 23%, 32, 26 and 68% also given. So this value is the volume of occupy and this value is the vacant space. So first clear see that the vacant space or occupy space. When vacant space given, its answer 32% and occupy space given, its answer 68%. And second, a given metal crystallizes out with a cubic structure having A value, A is equal to 361 picometer. If there are 4 metal atoms in one unit cell, what is the radius of one atom? First find out that this is the simple cubic body center or FCC. One hint given in this question, that is the 4 metal atoms per unit cell. 4 metal atom means Z is equal to 4. Where Z is equal to 4, its unit cell FCC means face center cubic. Z is equal to 4. So that way we find out the given the A value and find out the R value. We know that the 4R is equal to under root 2A. So R is equal to under root 2 by 4 into multiplication with A value 361. It gives the answer. Only check 4 metal atom and find out this is the FCC and put this value. Next, the correct statements regarding defects in crystalline solids. Frankel defect is dislocation defect. Second, Frankel defect is found in halides of alkaline earth metal. No, this is wrong because of the in the halides of alkaline earth metal found in Schottky defect. Because of the in the Frankel defect interstitial position. When a small of the ion, for example AgCl, AgBr, this is the AgCl and AgBr is the ion size is the small. So it's occupy interstitial position. But halide of the alkaline not occupy interstitial position. So this is the wrong. Because of the Schottky defect is found in halides of alkaline earth metal. Second, Schottky defect have no effect on the density of the crystalline solid. First of all, the meaning of the Schottky defect. In the Schottky defect, ion pair remove because of the electron neutrality. For example, consider is the NaCl crystal. In the NaCl crystal, one NaCl remove, so one Cl minus also remove because of the maintain electrical neutrality. When one Na plus and one Cl minus remove, so its molar mass ratio is equal to 58.5. So in the all crystal, 58.5 molar mass is decrease, value of decrease. Rho is equal to m by v. This 58.5 molar mass decrease. So density also decrease. That way, Schottky defect have effect on the density of crystalline solid. In the Schottky defect, density is decreased. So this is the wrong. Then Frankel defects decrease the density of crystalline solids. No, this is the wrong. Because of the Frankel defect, ion is not removed. But when ion is its original position vacant and occupy interstitial position. So it's not changes the volume of this crystal. So that way Frankel defect density remains same. No decrease, no increase. So this is 3 is the wrong. We find out the correct statement. Frankel defect is delocation defect. Why this is known as the delocation? Because of the, for example, this is the Na plus Cl minus. This is the crystal of the Na plus Cl minus. When these Na plus are missing their position and occupy interstitial position. So this Na plus dislocation is original location missing and another location occupied. So that meaning of this Frankel defect is delocation defect, or it's also known as the interstitial defect. This is structure. Its density is 530 kg per meter cube and its atomic mass is 6.94 gram per mole. Calculate the age length of unit cell of lithium metal. We know that the density rho is equal to Z into m upon A cube into Na. Find out the density. So first A cube is equal to Z into m by rho into Na. That Z value given is the BCC. BCC means Z value is equal to 2. So Z is equal to 2. Into multiplication with molar mass 6.94 gram per mole. And density given is the 530 kilogram per meter cube. But we know about that this picometer and we gram per meter cube convert it into gram per centimeter cube. How to convert gram per centimeter cube? So 1 kilogram is equal to 10 raised to 3 gram. And 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube. Because of the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that 530 multiplication with kilogram, multiplication with 10 raised to 3 and divide by per meter cube. So divide by 10 raised to 6. It's converted into gram per centimeter cube. So this is the 530 into multiplication with 10 raised to 3 minus 10 raised to 6. So it gives 10 raised to minus 3 into Na value 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. This answer gives the A cube. Then find out the A. So that way we find out the A value. Next, the ionic radii of A plus and B minus ions are. For the A plus, ionic radii are is equal to 0.98 into 10 raised to minus 10. And B minus ions, so ionic radius of the anion B minus is equal to 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 10. We know that the atomic radius ratio is equal to the radius of the cation upon radius of the anion. So, radius of the cation upon radius of the anion, 10 raised to minus 10, 10 raised to minus 10 cancel out. And this is the 1/2. So, this gives the 0.54 answer, radius ratio. When find out the coordination number of each ion, we know that the coordination number 0.4142 to 0.731. So this is the lies between the 0.414 to 0.73. This radius ratio gives the coordination number 6. So that way the ionic radii of A plus and B minus ion are 0.98 into 10 raised to minus 10. In its value, the coordination number of each ion in AB is 6. In calcium fluoride having the fluoride structure, the coordination number of Ca plus 2 and F minus are. Fluoride structure means AB2 type and antifluoride means A2B. This is the antifluoride structure. We find out the Ca plus 2 and F minus coordination number. We know that the Ca is larger in size than the F minus 2. When size is large, that means that calcium adopt the CCP structure. And F minus occupy the tetrahedral voids. So that way F minus occupy tetrahedral voids, its coordination number 4. Then check out the F minus coordination number 4. First option 4 and 2. This is the wrong. Then 6 and 6. Wrong. 8 and 4. 4 for the F minus. So this is the right option because of the F minus occupy all tetrahedral voids and Ca plus 2 adopt the CCP structure. That way Ca has 8 coordination number and F has 4 coordination number. Next, which is the incorrect statement? First statement is the density decreases in case of crystals with Schottky defect. Yes, this is the right because of in this Schottky defect ion pair remove. When ion pair remove, for example Na plus and Cl minus remove, its total mass is 58.5. When this pair remove, its mass losses is 58.5. In another, density is directly proportional to the mass. When mass decrease, density decrease. So this is the right option when density decreases in case of crystal with Schottky defect. Second, NaCl solid is insulator, silicon is semiconductor and silver is conductor. Yes, we know that the silver is a metal, so metal is conductor. Then silicon is semiconductor, right? Silicon semiconductor. But NaCl is insulator. We know that the NaCl is the Coulombic force present, Na plus and Cl minus. In this Na plus and Cl minus is the solid state. When solid state means the no movement of the ion. When ion movement is absent, so this is act as the insulator. But in the given option, NaCl in liquid state, so this is the conductor of the electricity. This is the right option because of the NaCl in solid state. Next, Frankel defect is favor in those ionic compound in which sizes of cation and anion are almost equal. For example, consider the A plus and B minus crystal, means AB crystal. When A plus remove its original position and occupy interstitial position. So that defect is known as the Frankel defect. When positive ion size is smaller, so it's easily occupy the interstitial position. So that way this is the cation and anion are almost equal. This is the wrong because of the cation size is smaller than the anion, so it's easily occupy interstitial position. So this is the wrong. Third, Fe.98 has non-stoichiometric metal deficiency defect. Wrong, because of this is the compound, and compound show defect. This not show defect, but this type of compound show defect. So this is the two option is the incorrect. This and this. It exhibits BCC structure at room temperature. Above 900 degree, it transform FCC structure. First, room temperature, it's BCC structure, and 900 degree temperature, it transform FCC structure. The ratio of the density of Fe at room temperature to that of the 900 degree. Density, for example, density room temperature to density 900 degree. Assuming molar mass and atomic radius of the Fe remain constant. So molar mass m and atomic radii r is constant. We know that the rho is equal to z into m upon a cube into na. Na constant, m constant, and that is the r value is constant. For example, this is the BCC. For the BCC structure, 4r is equal to under root 3a. So r is equal to, a is equal to 4r under root 3. That same way FCC is equal to 4r under root 2a. So a is equal to 4r divided by under root 2. 4r divided by under root 2. Then this value put in this equation, this ratio rho room temperature by rho of the 900 degree temperature. Room temperature means this is the BCC structure at room temperature. So we use a value this, rho room temperature is equal to 2, z value 2 because of the BCC, mass is constant, upon BCC value 4r divided by under root 3 cube and Na. Second, rho 900 degree temperature FCC structure. So Z value FCC 4 into m constant divided by 4r upon under root 2 cube into Na. Then find out this ratio. Rho room temperature divided by 900 degree. Na cancel out, cancel out. So this is the 2 divided by 4r upon under root 3 cube divided by 4 divided 4r under root 2 cube. We write that this is the 2 multiplication with 4r by under root 2 cube divided by this 4r by under root 3 cube and this 4. This is cancel out 2, so 1 by 2. Then 4r cube and 4r cube cancel out. 4r cube, 4r cube. So in this above 1 by under root 2 cube and this is the 1 by under root 3 cube. Simplification this 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 1 by 3 root 3. Then 1 by 2 upon 3 root 3, this 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So this answer is 3 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. 3 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. In this answer, 3 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. Total number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in 0.5 mole of a compound forming HCP structure are. Find out the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids. First gives the 0.5 mole. Moles converted into atom. 0.5 multiplication with 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 0.5 into multiplication 6. This gives the answer 3.11 into 10 raised to 23. This is considered the n value. We know that the octahedral voids, for example, number of octahedral voids is n. Then number of tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral voids. Number of octahedral voids n and number of tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral voids. So we find out that the total number of tetrahedral and octahedral. So total number of octahedral and tetrahedral is n plus 2n is equal to 3n. So 3 and multiplication with n value is 3.011 into 10 raised to 23. This gives the 9.033 into 10 raised to 23. This is the right option. 0.5 mole. When consider this is the 1 mole. So this multiplication with 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 multiplied with 3. Next, which one of the following compound exhibit both Schottky and Frankel defect? This answer is the AgBr answer. This is the exceptional case for this defect. AgBr has shown Schottky and Frankel defect. Next, the mass percentage of Fe present as Fe3 in Fe.93 oxygen 1 is, and this answer. This same as the in previous lecture, this lecture number 26 example, same like as this. Next, in a compound, atoms of element Y form FCC lattice. In those of element X occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. The formula of the compound. We know that in the FCC, number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. Means Z is equal to 4. And number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. So octahedral voids in this crystal is equal to 4. Because of the numbers of atoms per unit cell is equal to number of octahedral voids. So this is the 4. Then number of tetrahedral voids is equal to multiplication with 2 and octahedral voids. But in this question, octahedral void is not given, but given value is the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. So octahedral voids is equal to 4. That way, tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral voids. This multiplication 2 into 4 is equal to 8. And also, this is the 2/3 part of the tetrahedral void. 2/3 part of the tetrahedral voids means 16/3. So y value is 4 and x value is 16/3. Take LCM 16. So y 4/16 and x 16/16 into 3. 16 cancel out. Y 4 and x, y 1/4 and x 1/3. So y 3 x 4. This answer is the x4 y3. x4 y3. Next, the edge length of FCC cell of an ionic substance is 508 picometer. So A value given 508 picometer. If the radius of the cation, given value is radius of the cation is 110 picometer. Then find out the radius of anion. How to find out this? For example, this is the crystal. This R value and this is R. This distance is edge length A. So A, positive and negative. So A is equal to total 4R value. A is equal to 2R plus and 2R minus. Because of this is the considered as the K plus and F minus and K plus. So this value is 2R minus and this R plus and R plus. So this total is equal to 2R plus. So A is equal to 2R plus plus 2R minus. Common 2 R plus plus R minus. So R plus plus R minus is equal to A by 2 value. A value given is 508/2. So this is the 254 picometer. R plus R minus is equal to 254 picometer. And one value given is the R plus. So R minus is equal to 254 minus R plus is equal to 254 minus 110. It gives the answer 144 picometer. This is the right option, 144 picometer. Percentage of free space in cubic closed spec structure and in BCC structure respectively. We know that in the cubic closed space that is the 74% occupied space and BCC that is the 68% occupied space. But in this question asked in this find out the free space. When free space means the 100% minus occupied space is equal to free space. So 100 minus 74 that is gives the answer 26 and 100 minus 68 gives the 32. So right answer is 26% and 32%. Next, copper crystallized in FCC lattice with a unit cell as of A given 361 picometer. The radius of the copper atom. Find out the radius. We know that for the FCC 4R is equal to under root 2A. So R is equal to under root 2A by 4. Under root 2 4 multiplied with the 361. This gives the answer. Then in a FCC lattice, atom A occupy the corner position. A occupy corner position. And B occupy the face center. B occupy face center position. If one atom of B is missing from one of the face center point, the formula is for the A, we know that in the unit cell 8 corner atom present and its contribution is 1 by 8. So number of A atom is equal to 8 corner atom and its contribution 1 by 8. So this is the 1. Then next B is the face center position. Number of B atom. In the face center position total 6 faces present. But in this question given is the one atom B is missing. One is missing. So 5 position. So 5 into its contribution 1 by 2. So that's why this is the 5 by 2. A 1 and B 5 by 2. So that answer A 2 B 5. Because of the total 6 faces present, total number of atom in on the 6 faces. But one atom is missing from the 1 faces. So total number of 5 faces present and its contribution 1/2. So this value 5 by 2. And its answer A2B5. This is the right answer. Lithium chloride crystallized in BCC lattice. If A is its S length, then which of the following expression is correct? Answer is R plus and R minus. So distance between the cation and anion. Given the value cation in this body center. So this is the R plus and this value is R minus. So this distance find out. First we know that consider triangle ABC and its value is under root 2A. Then consider this ACD, its edge length A. So ACD, triangle ACD is equal to AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square is equal to under root 2A square and CD square is equal to A square. So 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square AD square. Then AD is equal to under root 3A value. This total is under root 3A value. But we find out that the RCS plus and RCL minus value. So this divided by 2, it gives this value. So AD is equal to AD by 2 and under root 3 by. For example, this is considered as F. So AF is equal to under root 3A by 2. And this value is equal to RS plus RCL minus is equal to under root 3A by 2. Next, Which of the following compound is metallic and ferromagnetic? Metallic and ferromagnetic compound is CrO2. Then a metal crystallizes in FCC structure if the edge length of the unit cell A. The closest approach between two atoms in metallic crystal will be closest approach between two atoms. For example, this is the consider as the 1 atom. So closest approach between these, in this atom negative ion present. So this total value consider. FCC for R is equal to under root 2a. Then 2R is equal to under root 2 by 2a. And the given value is the closest approach between two atom. Between two atom value is equal to 2R. So 2R is known as the D, diameter D, or distance between the two approach atom. So D is equal to under root 2 by 2a. Under root 2. So its answer is A by under root 2. D is equal to A by under root 2. This is the right answer. Defect has the presence of cations in the interstitial sites. First is Schottky defect. In this Schottky defect, missing of the ion pairs means 2 ion plus and minus, and its interstitial sites is vacant. So this is the wrong. When vacancy defect same as this Schottky defect, and the vacancy defect ion is missing its own size and its vacant space. So it's known as the vacancy defect. Then Frankel defect. In the Frankel defect, for example, consider as the Na plus NaCl crystal, whereas the Na plus is the positive charge, so Na plus missing its own position and occupy interstitial sites. So cation occupy interstitial sites, so their defect is known as the Frankel defect. This is the right option. And last is the metal deficient defect. In the metal deficient defect, metal means positive charge, deficient means positive charge less. So metal deficient defect, interstitial sites in the negative charge present. So this is the wrong answer. Right answer is the Frankel defect. Next, an ionic compound is expected to have tetrahedral structure if R plus by R minus means radius ratio lies in the range of. We know that the R plus upon R minus is the radius ratio range. For the radius ratio of the tetrahedral void is equal to 0.225. And its ratio between the tetrahedral to octahedral. So this right answer is the 0.225 to 0.414. Next, KCl crystallizes in the same type of lattice as thus NaCl, given that radius Rna plus by Rcl minus is equal to 0.55 and R plus by Rcl minus is equal to 0.74. Calculate the ratio of the site of unit cell for KCl2 for that the NaCl. First R plus upon Rcl is equal to 0.55, then Rk plus upon Rcl minus is equal to 0.74. We know that the ratio of the KCl to NaCl. How to find out the ratio? Rk plus Rcl minus divided by Rna plus Rcl minus. So this form converted into this type of form, Rna plus Rcl minus. So that two sides adding plus 1, this side also adding plus 1. So Rna plus Rcl minus divided by Rcl minus is equal to 1.55, and that Rk plus Rcl minus divided by Rcl minus is equal to 1.74. Then we find out Rk plus Rcl minus. So first this equation, Rk plus Rcl minus divided by Rcl minus divided by the ratio of the Rna plus Rcl minus. So divide by this equation, Rna plus Rcl minus. This value is put is 1.74 and this is the 1.55. Cl minus cancel out. It gives the answer of the ratio of the KCl to NaCl. turns yellow on heating because of the Frankel defect, metal excess defect, metal deficient defect and Schottky defect. We know that for example, consider as the NaCl. NaCl crystal put in the sodium vapor. When heated with the sodium vapor, so Cl minus missing their position and Na converted into Na plus and 1 electron. So this 1 electron occupies the negative position. So this position, when electron present, it's known as the F center. And F center meaning of the color. So that way ZNO, first this is the white, but this converted into the yellow because of the presence of the metal excess defect. Same as the NaCl converted into yellow color and KCl gives the violet color. Next, the face center cubic lattice. A unit cell is shaded equally by how many unit cells? We know that the one unit cell has 6 faces. So one phase is occupied contribution. Its contribution is 1/2. But in this question given is the unit cell shaded equally by how many unit cells? So 6 phase shared by the 6 unit cell. So its answer is 6. And asked in the question how its contribution. So its contribution is 1/2, but it's shared with the 6 unit cells. Next, potassium dichromate belongs to which crystal system? It belongs to triclinic crystal system. Which one of the following is used as the piezoelectric material? Graphite is the used as the quartz is the used as the piezoelectric material. Suppose the mass of a single silver atom is m. Mass given is m. Ag metal crystallizes in FCC lattice with unit cell of Ag length is A. The density of Ag metal in terms of A and m. We know that the rho is equal to Z into m upon A cube into Na. Z means the numbers of atom per unit cell. For this FCC, number of atom per unit cell is equal to 4. This is the 4. And for the one Ag atom, only one Ag atom, this for the mole of the atom. So this is the Na. Only one Ag atom, its value 1. Then m, mass of the m consider as the small m. Ag metal in terms of A and m, small m. And Ag length is A cube. So given answer is 4m by A cube. So this is the right answer, 4m by A cube. Why Na is not used Avogadro number? Because of this consider is the only single Ag atom. Next, the unit cell with crystallographic dimension A is not equal to B is not equal to C. And alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 and beta is not equal to 90. Is the monoclinic, triclinic, tetragonal and orthorhombic. So this is the monoclinic. Next, ionic solids with Schottky defect may contain in their structure. We know that the Schottky defects ion pair remove. Ion pair remove means positive and negative vacancy present. So find out the right answer. Cation vacancy only. No, this is the cation and anion vacancy because of the ion pair are removed. Cation vacancy and interstitial cation. No. Equal number of cation and anion vacancy. Yes, this is the right. And anion vacancy and interstitial anion. This is the wrong. Next, in a FCC unit cell, what is the volume occupied? We know that in the FCC number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. So that is the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4. This shape is the sphere. So sphere volume is the 4 by 3 pi r cube. One sphere volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. So total number is 4 atom present. So 4 into multiplication with 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the 16 by 3 pi r cube. So in this question, right answer the 16 by 3 pi r cube. Correct statement regarding defect in solid is firstly, the Schottky defect has no effect on the physical properties of solid. This is wrong because of the Schottky defect affect the physical property of the solids. Next, Frankel defect is dislocation defect. Yes, this is the right because of in the Frankel defect positive ion missing their own position and occupy interstitial position. So that dislocation the charges. This is the right. The Frankel defect is dislocation defect. Frankel defect is usually favored by very small difference in the sizes of cation and anion. Wrong, because of the in this Frankel defect only cation size is smaller than the anion. Trapping of proton in this lattice leads to the formation of F center. Wrong, because of the formation of the M center require the electron. Next, which of the following crystal has unit cell such that A is not equal to B is not equal to C and alpha is not equal to B is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90. Means this is the triclinic system. When triclinic system, so this given in the example of this different. So in this triclinic system, only example for the K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate is the example of the triclinic system. Next, in FCC arrangement of A and B atoms in which A atoms are at the corner of the cell, B atoms are at the face. One of the A atom is missing from one corner of the cell. We know that in the unit cell 8 corner present and its contribution 1 by 8. But in this given question gives the one center, one corner is the missing. So total 7 corner atom present. 7 corner atom multiplication with 1 by 8 because of the contribution 1 by 8. This is the 7 by 8. Number of contribution of atom for the A is equal to 7 by 8. Then B atoms are at the face. So B atom is the face. In the unit cell 6 face present and its contribution 1/2. So it gives the 3. 6 into 1/2. This is 3. A 7 by 8 and B 3. Then A 7 and multiply with the 8. So B 24. This answer is the compound formula of the compound is A7B24. So this is the right answer, A7B24. Next, as length of a cube is 300 picometer, its body diagonal would be. We know that the body diagonal is equal to the under root 3a. Because of the we use that the half of the body diagonal. Half of the body diagonal is equal to under root 3a by 2. So full of the body diagonal distance is the under root 3a. So its answer under root 3 multiply with 300 gives the answer of this question. Next, which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? When conductor of electricity depends on the electron and movement of ion. When movement of ion means electrolytic solution present. Only ion present in the molten state. So that is the solid NaCl. In the solid NaCl, no free ion present. So this is the right answer of this conductor of electricity. Cu has a metal, so it's conduct electricity because of the free electron. This is the molten NaCl. Molten NaCl means ion movements are present. So this is the conduct electricity. And brine solution, it is electrolytic solution and movements of ion present. So it's also conduct electricity. So its right option is the solid NaCl. Next, of the following crystal alternative tetrahedral voids are occupied. We know that the formula of compound AB. In the A and B, same number of atom present in the A and B. A has always occupy or adopt close packing structure. Means the close packing structure means, for example, consider is the NaCl. Cl size is larger. So Cl adopt A. A means CCP structure. And B adopt the octahedral voids or alternative tetrahedral voids. But we know that the numbers of atom per unit cell is equal to the numbers of void in octahedral. And numbers of tetrahedral voids are twice than the octahedral voids. But in this formula, A and B are same. So that way we consider the alternative tetrahedral voids. So its answer is the Z. Next, the packing efficiency of the two-dimensional square unit cell. So this is the given is the packing efficiency. Find out the packing efficiency in this square unit cell. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner atom and 1 body center. So first find out the percentage of efficiency is equal to area covered by the particle upon total area. Area covers by the particle. So first find out the number of particles. Number of particles is equal to corner atoms. For corner atoms, it contribution 1 by 4 and 1 body center atom. So this value 1. So it gives the 2. So number of particles is equal to 2. And it's covered by area, its value is pi r square divided by the total area. Total area is for the 2 dimension is equal to a square and 3 dimension a cube. But we consider 2 dimensions, so put is the a square. How to find out the a square? For example, this is the ABC. Triangle ABC. This is the S length A and S length A. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is A square plus A square. So AC square is equal to 2A square and AC is equal to under root 2A. That is the value of the AC. AC is equal to under root 2A. But we know that this is the R value, total 4R value. So 4R is AC is equal to 4R. 4R is equal to under root 2A. So A is equal to 4R by under root 2. Put in this value, this equation, 2 into pi r square divided by 4R by under root 2 square. And then solve it. It gives the answer. XQ has a CCP arrangement of X. Its unit cell structure is shown below. This is the structure of the unit cell. Find out the empirical formula of compound. X represented by the spherical and M represented by the square. So first find out for the X, number of X atom is equal to X present on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corner. Corner atom 8 and its contribution 1 by 8. And the spherical also present faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 face and its contribution 1 by 2. So there are 1 and 3, total 4 number of X atom present. Then consider as the Y. So number of M atom is equal to square 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square present on the edges of the unit cell. So 4 and S contribution 1 by 4. And 1 sphere present on this body center. So this is the 1 is equal to 2. That answer is the X4 M2. X4 and M2 and common to X2M. 2 are common, so X2M and its answer is MX2. This is the right answer, MX2. Next, the arrangement of X minus ion around A plus ion in solid AX is given in this figure. If the radius of X minus, given value of the radius of the X minus is equal to 250 picometer. And find out the radius of A plus. We know that this is the 6th pair present. So its void is the octahedral void. For the octahedral voids ratio, radius ratio is equal to radius of the cation upon radius of the anion is equal to, for the octahedral ratio is 0.414. So find out the Ra plus and given value Rx minus is equal to 250,414. So Ra plus is equal to 0.414 multiplication with 250. This gives the answer in this the picometer. This is the right answer, 104 picometer. If the unit cell of mineral has a CCP arrangement of oxygen atoms with M fraction of octahedral walls occupied by aluminium ions and N fraction of tetrahedral wall occupied by magnesium ion. M and N respectively are. First, we given that's the value of the CCP arrangement. For the CCP, Z value is equal to 4. Means number of atom present per unit cell is equal to 4. And this CCP value for the oxygen atom. So, number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4 because of the CCP. And minerals has a CCP arrangement of oxygen atom. So number of oxygen atom is equal to 4. Then M fraction of octahedral walls occupied by aluminium. We know that the numbers of atom per unit cell is equal to the number of octahedral walls present. So number of octahedral holes is equal to 4 because of the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to the number of octahedral voids is equal to 4 and its fraction given for the M. So multiply with N. This is the number of aluminium ion. And next, N fraction of the tetrahedral void. So number of tetrahedral holes. This is the multiplication with 2 because of the number of tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral voids. This is the 8 into its fraction N. So this given value is the number of magnesium ion. Its formula is aluminium 4M, magnesium 8N and oxygen 4. This formula, this charge is plus 3, magnesium charge plus 2 and oxygen minus 2. Plus 3 into multiply with 4M plus 2 charge and multiplication with 8M minus 2 charge is equal to, this is the neutral, so it's equal to 0. Then find out this 12M plus 16N minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 12M plus 16N is equal to 2 minus plus. Then common 4 value 3M plus 4N is equal to 2. Then we find out that the M and N value. This all value put in this equation and it gives answer is equal to 2. That is the right option. First option is 3 into M value is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 and N value put in this equation 1 by 8. So this is the 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is the 4 by 2. It gives the answer 2. This is the right option. 3M plus 4N is equal to 2. That gives the 2. Second check. 3M value 1 plus 4N value 1 by 4. This is the 4 and 1. It gives the answer 4. It is the wrong. Third. 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2. It gives the 1 by 2 plus 2. So that is the 7 by 2. And fourth option is 3. M value is 1 by 4 and N value is 1 by 8. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So this gives the answer of the 3 plus 2, 5 by 4. This is the wrong answer. Right answer is the first 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 8. So M value is 1 by 2 and N value is 1 by 8. This is the right option, 1 by 2 and 1 by